I'm Simon Lack, Managing Partner at SL Advisors. I set up SL Advisors in 2009 to manage my own money. Before that, I spent 23 years at JP Morgan. I ran interest rate derivatives trading and later a hedge fund business. I became interested in the energy sector because of a hedge fund we invested in. I started putting my own money into pipelines because of their predictable cash flows and attractive yields. At SL Advisors, our first clients were friends of mine who wanted to be invested alongside me. Having people I already knew as investors made it more meaningful. My first hire was Henry Hoffman, who joined to do research on the companies we invest in. As I often say, Henry's responsible for most of our good ideas and none of the bad ones.
I enjoyed most of it. I really like research, and I think a good day is when you learn something. Talking to clients is very important. For me, and understanding that, and I also think it's a great thing and very much enjoy it.
Henry became a partner in 2012. I value his insight, his values, and his friendship.
At SL Advisors, we can change our minds pretty quickly. It makes us very dynamic, but it's collaborative. It's not one person.
That means making sure our clients know what we're thinking. We write a blog twice a week and publish regular videos. But communicating also means being available to answer questions or address concerns a client may have.
I feel like if you have a question, it's going to get answered and it's going to get answered quickly. And if you have a client who needs information, we're going to get on that call and give them what they need. Our wholesalers are always available, so they're great as well, and we work as a close-knit community.
We think our continued growth over the years show that we've been able to do that. Henry and I agreed at an early stage that we wanted to focus on the energy sector and specifically midstream, which is pipelines, storage facilities, fractionation, everything that is involved in moving oil and gas from the wellhead to the customer. We especially like the natural gas business because developing nations are using it to provide more people with access to reliable electricity. Natural gas also offers the world's best chance to reduce emissions by using it to replace coal, just like we have in America, where we have many decades of cheap, accessible natural gas.
And it's a very interesting sector. It still is today. I think it's overlooked and unloved and it's caught up with kind of energy overall or fossil fuels. But it's a very interesting sector in infrastructure, and it's easy to do security analysis on it. Cash flows are predictable and visible, and it can give you a lot of confidence to tell the story.
Pipeline companies are playing a critical role in the energy transition. They're involved in carbon capture by moving CO2 through pipelines to sites where it can be securely buried underground, and in the development of hydrogen as another source of clean energy.
A lot of times investors will look at a price on a screen and say, well, if I trade 10,000, I can just buy it or sell it at this price. It's only a penny apart. And a lot of times, your putting in an order will move the market. So there's an expectation you're going to get a price that's shown on the screen, and it takes a little bit more finesse to get that.
At SL Advisors, we're dedicated to building long-term relationships with clients who share our vision of America as the leader in offering secure energy to our allies and reliable energy here at home. Invest in that future with us.
I think we've been working since, what year did the Ice Age start? Let me just think for a minute.
I find that our clients are like family and that we've known them for so long, so you can have the one-on-one connection with them. It's just talking to a friend, really.
How does everyone look so good? It's the video production.
That's right.